I do it with my own made kefir.
Oh, okay. That sounds very scientific.
Oh no, it's not very scientific. You buy whatever kefir you get,
Mm-hmm.
and then you put a bit of kefir
Yeah.
into a glass,
Yeah.
and then you put milk on it. Uh, I would say 1/4 of kefir and the rest normal milk.
Yeah.
Uh, could be Haarmilch, yeah,
Yeah.
and leave it at room temperature for 24 hours.
And it,
I do it for plastic saving reasons. So normally you get the kefir bottles only in plastic bottles, and I tried it, and yeah, it's working.
mm-hmm,
And
mm-hmm.
no, I guess I saved a
Good.
lot of plastic. So that's easy hack.
Yeah. That's also good because you're actually touching on the sustainability aspect of healthy eating and
Exactly.
and 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 this whole fasting movement, taking care of our bodies and so on. Because a part of the fasting thing, I'll tell you this, it also satisfied a part of me whereas I think I said it, this is actually something I benefit from. It is reduced consumption because I've saved so much money during fasting from food because I wasn't eating, so I wasn't buying anything.
But
So
eating can make joy. Yeah.
reduced consumption, of course, I'm actually benefiting from it and it's tax free. So I felt really happy to be actually benefiting from something and I don't have to pay taxes on it. Right?
Okay.
So that in itself, it is a kind of a defiance, right? Whereas for sustainability is good because the root of many sustainability problems is overconsumption. And so the satisfaction, the fulfillment that I get from fasting is not just, feeling strong and healthy and maybe more beautiful. Yeah. It's also the idea that I'm actually doing something for the environment and reducing our problem in the world with overconsumption.